Okay, so we've got quite a lot going on with this question. We've got 3 planks of wood attached by glues and nails, or glue and nails, so we don't need to worry about the joins. But we're looking at the 3 planks of wood. Now, we've got 2 of the lengths. One is 6 metres and the other's 8 metres. But we need to find, obviously, the third length here to be able to continue with this question. So, given the fact it's a right angle triangle, and we know 2 of the length, and we're finding a third length, it's going to be Pythagoras. And Pythagoras says that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now c is the one that has to be the hypotenuse, and to find the hypotenuse we just go opposite the right angle. So we're finding c. A and b don't matter which way around we do it, so I'm going to do 6 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared. And I can put my lines down as I normally do. So I always put the lines down that equals. I've just missed that one. So 6 squared is 36, 8 squared is 64, which equals c squared. 36 plus 64 is 100, equals c squared. What I'm going to do is just square root both sides, so c will equal 10. Now, when you square root you get a negative as well, but since it's a length it can't be negative, so it's just going to be 10. So c is 10, so we know that that's going to be 10 metres. And it says it takes 90 millilitres of paint per metre of wood to cover it. So what we're going to have to do is work out how much wood we have. So I'm going to say to the examiner wood length or something. Always try and describe to the examiner what you're doing. So we're going to do 6 plus 8 plus 10. So 6 plus 8 is 14 plus 10 is 24. Okay. And then to work out the amount of paint required, so paint required, I need to do 24 because we've got 24 metres of paint times 90 because it's 90 millilitres per metre. So we can do this with the grid or column method. Doesn't really matter which one. I'll do the column, why not? So 0 for the first one, and then we're going to do 90 times 4, so we need to add a 0. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 2 is 18, plus the 3 is 21. And what we could have done is 9 times 24 and just added a 0 onto the end of it. There's loads of different ways of doing these things. So it would be 2,160 millilitres. If you ask this in litres it would be 2.160 litres. Because there's 1,000 millilitres in a litre.